Hello, future design engineers. If you're starting your career as a civil AutoCAD design engineer with 0 to 2 years of experience, today's session is just for you. We'll talk about what this role is, why it's important, and go through 50 real interview questions with answers that can boost your confidence and help you crack your next interview. So, let's get started. A civil AutoCAD design engineer works on creating precise 2D and 3D drawings for civil projects like buildings, bridges, roads, and infrastructure. AutoCAD is the most widely used tool in the civil industry for drafting and detailing. Why is this role so important? Because accurate drawings are the backbone of every construction project, from planning to execution. A small mistake in drawings can lead to huge losses in time, cost, and quality. So mastering AutoCAD and related design skills makes you a key part of the engineering team. How will this help you? By going through these 50 questions and answers, you will understand what interviewers really ask, learn how to give clear, confident answers, avoid common mistakes that freshers and juniors make. If you're well prepared for interview questions, you'll not only impress recruiters but also show them you're job ready from day one. This means faster hiring, better salary negotiations, and more confidence in your career journey. So here are the 50 civil AutoCAD design engineer interview questions and answers. Question 1. What is AutoCAD? Answer. AutoCAD is a computer-aided design software, CAD software, used for creating 2D drawings and 3D models in engineering, architecture, and construction. Why is AutoCAD important in civil engineering? AutoCAD helps in creating accurate construction drawings, reducing design errors, and improving communication between engineers and contractors. What is the standard drawing sheet size used in civil drafting? Common sheet sizes include A0, A1, A2, A3, and A4 as per ISO standards. What is the difference between model space and paper space in AutoCAD? Model space is used for creating the design, while paper space is used for creating layouts for printing. What is the use of layers in AutoCAD? Layers help organize different elements of a drawing, such as dimensions, text, and objects, making it easier to manage and edit. What is the purpose of line types in drafting? Line types differentiate between object lines, hidden lines, and center lines, helping to communicate design intent clearly. What is the difference between absolute and relative coordinates? Absolute coordinates use fixed reference points, while relative coordinates are based on the last point selected. What is the command for measuring distance in AutoCAD? The dist command is used to measure distance between 2 points. How do you insert a block in AutoCAD? Use the insert command to place a block into the drawing. What is the difference between a block and a group? A block is a saved collection of objects that can be reused, while a group is a temporary combination of objects for easy selection. What is the use of hatching in AutoCAD? Hatching is used to fill areas with patterns to represent materials in section views. What is the scale command used for? The scale command changes the size of objects proportionally. What is the difference between trim and extend commands? Trim removes unwanted parts of objects, while extend lengthens objects to meet a boundary. What is the purpose of XREF in AutoCAD? XREF allows linking of external drawings, making it easier to update and manage large projects. What is the difference between orthographic and isometric drawings? Orthographic drawings are 2D views, while isometric drawings show a 3D representation on a 2D plane. How do you set drawing limits in AutoCAD? Use the limits command to define the working area of your drawing. What is the function of the OSNAP feature? OSNAP allows precise snapping to specific points on objects, such as endpoints, midpoints, and centers. What is the difference between plot and print in AutoCAD? Both refer to producing a hard copy, but plot is the technical term used in CAD. What is the purpose of dimensioning in drafting? Dimensioning provides the measurements and sizes needed for manufacturing or construction. What is the difference between aligned and linear dimensions? Linear dimensions measure horizontal or vertical distances, while aligned dimensions measure distances at an angle. How do you create layers in AutoCAD? Use the layer command to create, modify, and manage layers. What is the difference between by-layer and by-block properties? By-layer takes the layer's properties, while by-block takes properties assigned to the block. What is the purpose of UCS in AutoCAD? UCS allows setting a custom orientation for drawing. What is the difference between copy and mirror commands? Copy duplicates objects in the same orientation, while mirror creates a reversed copy. How do you create text in AutoCAD? Use the text or mtext commands to create single-line or multi-line text. What is the difference between single-line text and multi-line text? Single-line text is used for short notes, while multi-line text allows paragraphs and formatting. What is the purpose of the purge command? Purge removes unused items from the drawing, reducing file size. How do you lock a layer in AutoCAD? In the Layer Properties Manager, click the lock icon to prevent modifications. What is the difference between freezing and locking layers? Freezing hides the layer completely, while locking keeps it visible but uneditable. How do you create a polyline in AutoCAD? Use the p-line command to create connected line segments as a single object. What is the difference between line and polyline? A line is a single segment, while a polyline is multiple connected segments treated as one. What is the purpose of regen in AutoCAD? Regen regenerates the drawing display to fix visual errors. What is the difference between 2D drafting and 3D modeling in AutoCAD? 2D drafting focuses on flat drawings, while 3D modeling creates realistic volumetric designs. How do you create a leader line in AutoCAD? Use the leader or QLeader command to create a leader with an annotation. What is the use of match properties command? Match properties copies the properties of one object to another. What is the difference between save and save as? Save updates the current file, while save as creates a new file with a different name or location. How do you create a section view in AutoCAD? By using cutting planes and hatch patterns to show internal features. What is the difference between plan and elevation views? Plan view shows the top view, while elevation shows the front or side view. What is the purpose of the zoom extends command? It zooms the view to show all objects in the drawing. What is the difference between array and copy? Array creates multiple copies in a pattern, while copy makes duplicates one by one. How do you create a rectangle in AutoCAD? Use the rectangle command and specify corner points. What is the difference between relative and polar coordinates? Relative coordinates specify distance and direction from the last point, while polar uses angle and distance. How do you measure an area in AutoCAD? Use the area command and select the boundaries. What is the difference between extend and stretch? Extend lengthens objects to a boundary, while stretch moves vertices to change shape. What is the purpose of the offset command? Offset creates a parallel copy of an object at a specified distance. How do you create a circle in AutoCAD? Use the circle command and specify center and radius. What is the difference between radius and diameter dimensions? Radius measures from the center to the circumference, diameter measures across the circle. How do you create a spline in AutoCAD? Use the spline command to create smooth curves through points. What is the difference between erase and delete? In AutoCAD, erase and delete mean the same, they remove objects. How do you export a drawing to PDF in AutoCAD? Use the plot or export commands to save the drawing as a PDF. Tip for freshers: always keep learning beyond AutoCAD. Explore software like Revit, STAAD.Pro, and SketchUp. Learn project documentation, site procedures, and industry codes. This combination of software skill plus field knowledge makes you stand out. Hope this session helped you prepare for your Civil AutoCAD Design Engineer interview. Stay tuned for more technical tips, software tutorials, and career guidance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and keep learning with us. See you in the next session.